Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I regrow spring onions. So these are just the salad onions or the spring onions that you buy in the supermarket. And when I finish cooking, I save the white ends with the root on and I push them into the soil. At the moment, I'm growing mine in a large pot. It's also a good way to use up any spring onions that might have started drying up that you don't want to use. You can still save the ends and push them into the ground. And you can just keep adding to them. Every time you've used some, you can add some more into the same pot, and they can grow at different times, and that's fine. They regrow fairly quickly. After about a week, you'll notice the green shoots poking up out of the middle, and they just continue to grow from there. Do remember to water them if it's dry weather. And when they're big enough, you can just snip them off when you need to use them. And every time you snip them off, they'll just grow back. And so you have an endless supply of free spring onions. If you remember to save them every time you've been cooking and plant them every time, soon you'll have an abundance. Thank you for watching my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have any ideas about using kitchen scraps, I'd love to know. Please put it in the comments below.